It's Ayoba time!
Boat party, big!
AyobaUKTV, where we bring you the latest in Southern African entertainment. I'm Dee, and I'm at the 6th annual boat cruise hosted by Slickmanagement in collaboration with Tribe Records and Ancestralsoul. What's your name and where are you from?
My name's AJ, I'm from out of London.
Oh, okay. How are you finding the boat cruise?
It's really good.
Yeah?
Really good.
Did you come alone? Are you with family, friends or anything?
I'm with a big group of friends and that. My boy Bradley.
Hey guys!
Yeah, I'm here, what's going on? What is it?
How old are you turning?
24.
24! Woo! You guys enjoy the boat cruise?
Definitely. It's the best ever. Shout out to my people here.
Yeah! That's great. Everyone on the boat, everyone on the boat.
Definitely. Enjoy yourselves, people. It's a mad night to be had.
Hey guys! What's your name? Where are you from? France. How do you say hi in French? Bonjour. How are you guys finding the boat cruise? Very good. Yeah, the music is great. And, yeah. Do you have any plans for after the boat cruise? Yes, because I think Samia saw that there's a DJ from Lyon, so from France, from Lyon. So I'm definitely going to be to Corsica Studio tonight. That's the after party, guys. Hey, what's your name? Where are you from?
Lydia, I'm from South Africa.
Woo! Johannesburg.
It's excellent, it's magnificent, I'm loving it.
You're gonna be at the after party?
Of course, yeah.
You're doing this beautiful thing, I mean like, this is so spectacular, you know?
This is exactly what I need after the World Cup, eh? The World Cup was hectic. To everyone who came to the World Cup, thank you guys, it was fantastic.
It was, we needed that.
Yeah.
You're looking very beautiful today, I mean, hey. White, this is so topical, hey? Hey, I'm loving it. Thank you, girl. So, what are you drinking over there?
I cannot disclose.
Is it that bad?
No, but it's non-alcoholic.
What's your name and where are you from?
I'm Lindsay, I'm from Cape Town.
Oh, wow. Wow!
I'm sorry, from Muscle Bay, South Africa.
Whoa, Muscle Bay!
The show from Cape Town.
From Cape Town.
So, are you enjoying the boat cruise?
That's not too bad, not too shabby. What can I say?
Okay. Are you here on your own or are you here with friends?
I'm here with friends. You know?
Hey friends! I mean, I heard you singing earlier on. I mean, you hit us with a few bars.
I did.
I heard you singing.
I did.
Oh, come on!
I mean,
Sing for!
Okay, if I went to X Factor, I wouldn't win.
So hit us with something, man. I mean, I heard you sing earlier on. Yeah, come on, hit us with
Thank you.
Hey, I've just come back from inside. The music is off the hook. I mean, the people are exhilarating. I'm just gonna go back in there because my favorite DJ is just about to play.
man, MTU presenting right now, MTU London. Guess what? I'm sober. Wow! Been a good show. Been a good crew. Been a good mood. After party. MTU London sober.
My name is Boop and I'm sober.
I'm sober.
We love you. Happy birthday to you, whoever you are. Happy birthday. Mwah. If I meant, I don't kiss you. I'm not a fucker.
Good. Say good. Say good.
Your friends is together.
What promise?
Merci beaucoup.